we've had a good run. I'm totally at peace with the accomplishment we've had this conference. We've been in the semis twice in a row. So at least that's an indication of some degree of consistency within the team. Marami pa rin talaga kaming kulang. Pero yung mga games siguro is we really didn't shoot well from the three in the series. Throughout the series, medyo hindi namin na-declog yung middle para matulungan si Aaron kasi talagang nagko-collapse sila kay Aaron, but the best way to help Aaron out would be to make some threes consistently. So lalo siyang nahirapan doon. But again, sabi ko nga, I'm totally at peace with our conference. Yes, I'm a little bit disappointed because we had a chance to win Game 3. Game 3 ba yun? Game 4. One possession game. Also, nanghihinayang din ako na hindi nakapaglaro si Kaylan. Kaylan would have been helpful in defending college game na talagang malaking headache namin. So those are things that will happen in a season or in a conference that you have to manage. So we're hoping that yung break will get us everybody healthy, and start fresh again for the next conference. So during the break, we'll be focused on choosing an import and getting him in as early as we can. Also, we're doing some individual assessments of our players and see how we can improve them individually and improve as a team. Pero, yun nga, sabi ko, masaya naman ako sa conference na to. Sa akin kasi, the more games you play, the more experience you gain, and the more lessons you learn. So, kung nakapaglaro pa kami ng ilang laro, mas nakakabuti yun sa isang team na kamukha ng sa akin. So we played 10 games and then another 3 games, 5 games semis, quarters, then another 5 games. So we played a total of 20 games, double the number of games we played sa and the last 10 games we played were all high stress, high competition games. So you all doon ka matututo yung playoff games. So again, next conference we'll try to make the semis again. Kung yung unang semis namin 4-0, yung second semis namin 4-1, baka next semis 4-2. I-improve pa rin. So, okay pa rin sa amin yun. Kaya makapasok ulit ng isang semis, mag 4-3, pasok ka ulit ng isang semis, baka 4-3 ikaw na yung makapasok. Yun natin. Parang yun ang proseso. But we're thankful for Aaron. Aaron brought us all the way here. Hindi lang namin siya matulungan dahil wala pumapasok ng wrestling sa amin na consistently. Kaya hindi namin maalis yung club sa gitna. But again, that's another thing we're trying to solve. How can we balance our offense from transition to the half court to shooting the threes.
So, kailan nakakalaro ng
Yes. Actually, nung game 4, gusto ko subukan eh. Kaya lang, yun nga, dikit yung laro. Today naman, he wasn't feeling too good. So sabi niya, hindi na siya maglalaro. So, ayusin namin sa mga ensayo. And I'm sure ready na siya sa next one.
report coach?
Wala pa siya. Usapan pa lang.
Thoughts mo lang kay Ray.
Ano na?
Si Ray, advancing.
Ray,
Naman,
bakit?
thoughts yun lang po, hindi ko
We're happy for Ray. No, we're happy for Ray na he found a really nice situation for himself na makakarating siya ng finals. Wala namang kaming ginagawa yan, wala namang kaming nangyaring mga conflicts or negative with Ray. Maayos yung usapan namin nung nagkaroon ng trade. So, we're happy with this situation. I'm sure happy rin siya para sa amin. Nakarating kami ng semis. Baka next conference, hindi natin alam kung nakarating ulit ng ganito. But it's always good na you're at this level and you're competing and you're playing in the playoffs. Consistency lang naman yan eh. Habang tumatagal ka nagpe-playoffs, malalaman mo rin paano manalo daw sa ganitong level.
So, si Gabe na naman yung best shooter yata.
Sabi ko nga, pag si Gabe ang best 3-point shooter niya, malaki problema niya sa 3-point shooter. Inulit ko rin sa kanila yung kanila.
So, 3 na lang hapon eh.
Oo nga, sabi ko, patay kami. Ito na lang ang problema namin.
Actually, dito sa import, sabi niyo naman pag-uusapan pa. But Sir Elias, parang ano yung balak mo sana kunin?
Unlimited kasi yung height eh, di ba? So, we're looking for somebody who is maybe 6'10 and above, no, na mobile, na siguro kailangan meron ding tres para maka-step out. Yung kasi yung weakness ni ni Aaron is exclusively an inside player. So kung meron kang inside game, may outside game, mas flexible sana. So we're looking for that. Pero naman mga tinitignan, pero it will take siguro another week to make the final decision.
Coach, thank you.
Okay.
Thanks, Coach.